You're a school or district administrator, dedicated to your students, your staff, and your community. You're being challenged in new ways with distance learning, and you know how important it is to keep your community connected and engaged. But it's overwhelming trying to navigate the day-to-day changes, let alone communicate them effectively. Imagine if you had a simple communication framework to follow that would ensure clear and consistent messaging, so teams are empowered, students are inspired, and families are supported. Join us on the journey of leading with clarity with this free online workshop, 3 Steps to Communicating Through Uncertainty.